Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, this is probably one of the most funnest things that I have seen here at CES, and this is straight up a racing game machine. Like, this is really cool. It's basically like a Nintendo Switch, everyone's calling it that, but it is a flat out PC for it. So I really just like how everything works in terms of it. This is, again, just basically a PC, so that basically everything is happening that is on a PC, the game would go. And the whole idea behind it is that you can actually play it just on the go. So this is like gaming on the go, but it's really a lot better, obviously. Whoa. And I love that rumble effect with the lights, but it's just really cool in terms of how it all operates. I want to go reverse, let's see. Yeah. And it's really responsive, I will say that. So overall, the rumbling is hilarious, but yeah, really just cool in terms of its concept. Now this is it with the controllers attached. However, we can unattach them, so put it right here, and we can unattach it by this little trigger, just like you put it on, and then you can go like this, and simple, easy in terms of how you can take it off, and then you can play with it this way, and the magnets are really strong, I will say that, like they immediately grab it right away, so I love that aspect of it. And then you just need to click it in, sliding it into the correct grooves. Then you do two hands for this. There we go. And then once you get it, it's simple and easy. And then you're set again. So I love this in terms of its concept. I'm not the best at this racing game, but I just, again, love it. I love the rumble feature of it lighting up. Really cool concept. It has a 10th gen Intel. That's the only internal that we really know about. And again, this is a concept. So we'll have to wait and see just how it actually is when it comes out, if it ever comes out, or if it will be vaporware. We'll have to wait and see, but it's really cool. Now we're gonna check out how it's gonna look like docked and play it that way. And now we are in docked mode. So this concept is really cool because now we're actually going to be connecting right here, and you can see it on the screen, you can play it. It's a really high resolution. Don't know the spec of it again yet, but that is going to be the part that we have that ability to do that. So let's just switch it right here. And I might get killed on this game, but I'm really curious to see how it plays with a fighting game. This is more what I'm accustomed to. Now, we also have bridge mode over here while this is loading, and this one you can basically play with a controller like this on this way. So really kind of different ways to kind of play on the go or dock it to a bigger screen. So however you want to play, however you choose to play, this is how you can. And it is really responsive. I love just how it feels. I will say I own a Switch, and the Switch doesn't feel anywhere near as good as this in terms of the quality of the materials and the parts. But yeah, I love just how it operates, even though I'm getting my butt kicked right now. But really nice in terms of the operation. And I won. So not bad, but all in all, I really just love how the controller looks and feels. How the grip is, looks like it runs through Bluetooth. And yeah, just really nice in terms of it. I love the light up and how it does it. So really cool in how it is. This is honestly a really cool concept that I could definitely see myself getting into. I am a console gamer and a PC gamer, but I have to admit I have lagged on the PC for a bit now. So having this is definitely a way to get me back in. I love controllers, what can I say? But this is what I think is perfect concept, and I hope that something comes out of this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you get this? Are you a gamer? Are you a PC gamer or a console gamer? And does this make you sway one way or the other? Thank you as always for watching. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.